Well, welcome back to another one of our videos. I gotta tell you guys, I get a lot of feedback from you guys up north, and man, I feel for you. I mean, today was gonna be a riding day on Sunday, but 44 degrees and rain. I ain't doing rain, not with cold temperatures. But here's our little trip to Ocklawaha, Florida, and it's a place called Gator Joe's. And I gotta say, we've been going to this place quite a while. It's really a neat little restaurant, and they know how to handle big groups. They're very well at it. And I guess we do this maybe 3 times a year or so, but here's our little trip and our new video, mainly for you folks up north, because this is real time. This just was yesterday.
Go. This is not cold. Today? This is a heat wave.
This is not cold. Scared.
Yeah. Wait, no, it's nice outside. We got the Junior Ranger.
He's gonna start a fire.
And he knows that they're having a special event for him over in Ravine Garden. And everybody but Ed has heated grips. Yeah, everybody but Ed has heated grips.
We're going to Gator Joe's today.
We're not going to Gator Joe's. We're going to take him to his special place of belonging. Another beautiful day. The temperature's already got up to 52, so that's nice. And here we're heading to Gator Joe's in Ocklawaha. Well, at least it made it up to 52 degrees, so it ain't bad now. But this is the point where I always go to my buddy, Boo Boo, aka Wayne, and ask him if he's hungry. So let's see what happens here.
You arrive at your waypoint on the left in 300 yards.
Hey, Boo Boo.
I am hungry. I'll get up here, watch out.
You are hungry then.
Roger.
Hey man, he was ready for that.
On the left. Take the next left.
To the start. What you got to start on? Looks nice. I haven't seen it that high in long many years.
Now I gotta tell you what, this road right here, County Road 2082, and it's been in rough shape for quite a while. I haven't seen little Chinamen with little flags waving in them holes on the other side of the world.
It'll be a dirt road, so I figure that's what they're going for.
Well, Junior Ranger, I think it was your turn to call John to see if he wanted to ride with us. Did you get a hold of him?
He was busy.
Well, in that last clip, when I asked Ed, have you given John a call? What that's about, you know, this is on the outskirts of Ocala. John Travolta lives on the outskirts of Ocala, Jumbo Air. And here we're passing his house right now. It's way back in the right corner. And Ever since Wild Hogs, whenever we're riding, we always go, hey, did you give John Travolta a call? Nope. Maybe one day.
Famous Gator Joe's. And that can mean one thing. It is time to feed, isn't it, Marcia? We're going to do some eating now, aren't we? It's Happy Meal time, isn't it?
Yep.
We're talking food, aren't we? What she has to deal with. And there's the Junior Ranger over there. He's taking pictures. He's the one that gives me more time when I do video. Now they're not just waiting on me. They're waiting on the Junior Ranger. Wonder if they have a sign at these places pointing towards Gator Joe's. That must be Joe. Diet Coke. Hey, Boo Boo, you hungry? You getting a big Happy Meal?
Now, once I order, I always go and I try getting a few video clips, kind of give you guys a better perspective what this place looks like. And I gotta say also, when I was getting my meal and I was looking at the menu, they had this with history written on their menu. Our establishment has been operating since 1925. Our name is derived from the famous Gator Joe, a 15'7" alligator that lived on Lake Weir in the early 1900s. Joe caught his fame from Ma Barker game, who tried to kill him several occasions. Joe ultimately got them instead. The legend of Old Joe led the FBI to the Lake Weir hideout, which was located 400 yards from here. On January 16, 1935, after a gruesome 4-hour gun battle, Ma Barker and her son Fred were killed. 1952, crossed paths with a local hunter named Vic Skidmore. Since then, Joe's Foot has been in many homes throughout Florida and Kentucky. It was donated to Gator Joe's by one of Vic's friends, Mr. Jim Townley. And soon it was time to leave after we ate. And last weekend when we rode, it was Karen's birthday, and we forgot to sing happy birthday. So guess what's happening now? Now right there is on the menu is the history of the place. You might want to pause it and read it. That was Marcia's shrimp and grits, and Boo Boo got it too, and he didn't talk much when he was eating. There was my fish and chips. It was good. And there's our group, and right here is a little picture of Gator Joe's from the side. Time to go home now. To you,
Too late.
happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Karen. Happy birthday to you. Hey guys, hold on. I forgot to start. We do it one more time. Well, everybody finished eating. And again, we got to see Tony and Vicky join us. And now it's just crank up the radio, enjoy the heated grips, and enjoy the ride home. You guys, you're going to be listening to some other kind of music later.
Now, the name of this restaurant right here is the Dam Restaurant, and it's part of Ocklawaha, and kind of neat. They've got some elephants over there, wooden, but there's the dam right there, and we're gonna have to go to the restaurant one day.
Well, this brings us pretty much to the end of the video. We did not stick to the map at the last part where we're going to go to the landing, Eagle Landing, to have some adult beverages because our group wasn't that big. It was just me and Marcia, Ed and Karen. And we decided we're going to beeline it home and have our adult beverages at home. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you back on the road pretty soon. Ain't that right, Sprock?